Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Today, we're going to talk about the elephant in the room. This is a money bag alert on the Polygon network. So keep that in mind. This is on the Polygon network, but this is a money bag alert nonetheless. Stick around to the end of the video. We're going to do some price prediction, technical analysis. This one's doing really good on the charts. Community is very active. I was just in a TG. I've been scoping this one and I like what I see. So I'm bringing it to the Money Bags community. And if you're not part of that community just yet, tap the link in the description down below for the Money Bags Mansion. You guys don't want to miss out on that. So the jumbo size community token on Polygon. That's what we got right now for everybody. And we are rocking hard with this one. So welcome to the elephant. As a gentle giant of the crypto jungle, our trunk connects the robust functionality of the Polygon network with the whimsical spirit of meme tokens. Our floppy ears are not just as a charming feature, they represent the commitment to listening to our community. That was pretty smart. With incredible memory, we ensure your crypto journey is unforgettable. So we know that, obviously the big ears on the elephant, but elephants are known to have good memory. So let's make it unforgettable. So join the Elephant Army and ride your elephant on a trunk load of adventures. So this is what we got for this one. Is no taxes, no pre-sale. The LP is locked, liquidity is locked, and the contract is renounced. And let's head over to their X page. Make sure you guys are tapped in with them. But this is, like I said, the elephant in the room right now. So at Elecoin XYZ, give them a follow. Make sure the bell notification is lit. If you're part of this community, come over here, like and retweet everything going on. Big shout out to Dr. DeFi, one of the guys in the space. Seen him over here with this elephant in the room, and I was like, wait a minute, something's happening right here. Need to check this one out. And it's about due that we see some meme coins on Polygon really start to take off now that we got Bitcoin over 51K. ETH, crushing it over 2,800 at times. So the markets are ready for us to really take off. So if you're part of this community, get this video out to as many people as possible. Now let's get to the last part and talk about some price prediction, technical analysis. This one's looking pretty good. Trading already, finding that bull flag. I seen that Dr. DeFi likes these bull flags. So we're going to talk about this right now, which we're marching to do exactly as we speak. Of course, this is DeFi, so it's not going to be always picture perfect, but nonetheless, we are going to see some things like this play out. So we could see something like this, some more consolidation, holding support above this prior resistance. We know on the channel that happens all the time. So something that we talk about, we can see that resistance right there, followed by the future support. And that lets us know that, if this community keeps pushing, tries to get at least 100 likes on this video, try to go as hard as you guys can, not just on this video, but on all the X posts and everything like that. I'm going to make a post after this video. So make sure you guys engage on all socials, share this on your Facebook, on your TikTok. The algorithms pick that up. So a support level above this where we just erased the zero, which we always talk about on the channel, is a psychological barrier, is bullish for the elephant in the room right now on Matic on the Polygon network. So consolidation, having a breakout to go test right back that 25.47, which is that all-time high. Do you guys think it can do that? Let me know down in the comments. This was a late night money bag alert. Seeing an active community. I'm looking at it on the 15 or on the daily chart, but let's go ahead and layer this real quick before we get out of here, and we can see that consolidation kind of present itself even more. This is how you kind of get determined if that's kind of what's happening as you start to work the time frames down. It starts to kind of present itself and show its hand, and we're basically consolidating, but we're still making higher lows as we're consolidating on these lower time frames. This is still, if you look at this trend right here, this is making higher lows and higher highs as far as we can see right here on these lower time frames. For sure, lower highs, but higher highs not so much. But this is a trend line right here that we can see. We'll identify it for everybody. So let's see what we do with there. There's a smaller trend line and smaller time frames right there. But this is one of those that you guys want to keep an eye on. I think Polygon is due for some of the meme coins to take off. Make sure you guys tap in with me at the Money Bags Mansion. Link in the description down below, where plays like this come up before the video drops. So like that, you guys will not miss out on these run-ups before they happen. Continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.